So here is the Tascam wind muff. Yes, the Tascam wind muff. Let me do an unboxing and I will doing a test outside also. Let me open it gently and then here we go with it. Okay, let me throw this one away and then grab my Tascam DR-22WL. You can buy this one, the wind muff, windscreen, the dead cat, whatever you wanna call, from the link below. I'm a big fan of the Tascam DR-22L, to be honest with you. I'm a really very big fan of it. So let's see how we can put this one on it. Something like this. It's really very hard to put, let me be honest with you. It's really very hard to put. You don't need to use this one unless you are outside on a windy day. I mean, wow, it's really very hard to put. Once it's on, I know it's going to be tightly fit. I'm 200% sure. Come on, it's making me mad. Something like this. Okay, something like this. Yeah, I think that's already on. No, it's not yet. Come on, it's really very hard to put. I think so. Now it's on. Yeah, now it's on. What do you think so?
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي